Ever missed the winning goal because your camera couldn't keep up? Today we dive into the best cameras for sports photography. Equipment that nails focus in a heartbeat, unleashes lightning-fast bursts, and dominates low-light arenas. Stick around to find the ultimate match-winning camera that elevates every action shot. All the products featured in this video can be found in the description below. For more comprehensive analysis and handy comparison, please visit our website at smartpicked.com. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click the notification bell to keep up with our latest updates. Now, let's jump into the listicle. At number 5, we have Sony A6000, the best budget camera for sports photography. Capture stunning action shots with the Sony A6000, easily the best budget camera for sports photography. This camera excels in fast-paced environments thanks to its impressive 11 frames per second shooting speed. You'll catch every thrilling moment, from soccer goals to exciting jumps. What sets this model apart is its lightweight design, allowing you to carry it comfortably for hours during events. An excellent autofocus system locks onto moving subjects quickly, letting you concentrate on composition instead of worrying about clarity. Another advantage is its compatibility with a wide range of E-mount lenses. Whether you favor wide-angle captures or telephoto shots, you'll find options to match your style. This versatility also makes it suitable for various photography scenarios, not just sports. Many appreciate its simplicity. Even newcomers can learn quickly, letting them enjoy their creative journey without frustration. Seasoned photographers will also appreciate the reliable performance under different conditions. It consistently produces excellent results, regardless of the challenges you encounter. On the downside, it lacks some advanced features found in newer models. Still, this keeps the interface intuitive, ensuring a smooth user experience without unnecessary distractions. What I love most about the Sony A6000 is its ability to perform brilliantly in dynamic situations. This camera proves to be a solid investment for budget-conscious creators. Stay tuned for an ultra-compact champ that transforms everyday lenses into telephoto beasts. At number 4, we have Nikon Z50, the best compact camera for sports photography. Compact and powerful, the Nikon Z50 is perfect for sports photography enthusiasts. I've spent ample time using this mirrorless camera, and it impresses every step of the way. With a 1.5 times crop factor, your lenses receive an effective boost in reach. For example, a 200mm lens transforms into a stunning 300mm. This extra distance is vital when capturing fast-paced action during games or events. Its compact design makes it easy to carry, ensuring you won't miss a moment. Weighing less than traditional DSLRs, it fits comfortably in your bag, making it an excellent choice for on-the-go photographers. Nikon also provides access to an extensive F-mount lineup with the FTZ adapter. This versatility allows you to explore a range of lenses, enhancing creative expression and adaptability. You can easily switch between different focal lengths to capture unique perspectives. When comparing this model to others like the D3500 and Z6 II, the Z50 strikes a fantastic balance. It offers superior performance without overwhelming you with features you might not use. That simplicity helps accelerate your learning curve. However, it's worth mentioning that the battery life could be better. While it's sufficient for short events, a backup battery might come in handy for longer shoots. The Nikon Z50 stands out as the best compact camera for sports photography. Get ready for a runner-up that delivers flagship performance without the flagship price. Still searching for the perfect camera for sports photography? Don't give up just yet. We have more coming your way. If this happens to be your first time here, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you can stay updated when we release new videos. You won't be disappointed. At number 3, we have Sony A1, the best Sony camera for sports photography. Capture every thrilling moment with the Sony A1, a powerhouse in sports photography. Its 50.1 megapixel full-frame stacked sensor ensures sharp, detailed images, even in fast-paced scenarios. Experience the joy of shooting up to 30 frames per second, all while enjoying a blackout-free electric viewfinder. This feature truly distinguishes the A1 from rivals like Canon and Nikon. You'll love how the seamless shooting experience keeps you locked onto your subjects. Expect to capture stunning action shots with incredible clarity that other cameras struggle to achieve. The high shooting speed allows for burst photography that feels effortless. You can follow dynamic movements, resulting in images that stand out from the crowd. One standout feature is how well this camera performs in low light conditions. Compared to similar models, the A1 excels with its high ISO capabilities, making it perfect for evening games. This versatility broadens your shooting conditions, enabling you to create beautiful pieces no matter the time of day. On the downside, battery life could be better. Longer shoots may require an extra battery. This minor inconvenience can be easily managed with a little planning. The Sony A1 sets a new standard for sports photography enthusiasts. Its combination of speed, clarity, and low-light performance makes it a top choice. Hold tight for a model that shatters speed limits and conquers low light like a pro. At number 2, we have Canon R5, the best camera for sports photography runner-up. Capture the action like never before with the Canon R5. As a runner-up in the best camera for sports photography, this powerhouse offers impressive performance tailored for enthusiasts and professionals alike. One standout feature is its remarkable 45-megapixel sensor. This high resolution allows you to crop without sacrificing detail, making it easier to frame that perfect shot. Fast continuous shooting is another advantage. You can shoot up to 20 frames per second, ensuring you never miss a crucial moment in fast-paced environments. Autofocus is incredibly swift and accurate. With 1,053 AF points, tracking moving subjects becomes a breeze, allowing you to focus with confidence during intense action. Low light performance also shines, letting you shoot in challenging conditions and still capture stunning images. Despite its strengths, the R5 has a few minor quirks. Battery life could be better, especially in high-speed continuous shooting mode. However, carrying a spare battery mitigates this concern while ensuring you're always ready to shoot. What I love most about the Canon R5 is its versatility. It excels in a wide range of shooting conditions, from sports to landscape photography. This model pairs advanced technology with user-friendly controls, making it accessible to both novices and seasoned pros. If you're serious about capturing sports action, check out the Canon R5 for an exceptional photography experience. Next up, the ultimate sports photography powerhouse that redefines what's possible. Before we unveil the top pick, don't forget to take a look at the description below for the latest deals on each of these items, and be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. At number 1, we have Canon EOS R5 Mark II, the best camera for sports photography overall. Capture every thrilling moment with the Canon EOS R5 Mark II, the best camera for sports photography overall. This model excels in delivering stunning 45-megapixel stills and upscaling them to 180 megapixel, a feature that transforms your photos into breathtaking visual stories. Its 8K 60p RAW video capabilities keep you at the forefront of high-quality content creation. Shooting at 40 frames per second ensures that you're always ready to snag that perfect shot, even during fast-paced action. Eye control. AF is a game changer, letting you instantly adjust focus just by looking at your subject. This intuitive feature proves invaluable in dynamic environments where speed matters. You'll appreciate how the AI-powered dual-pixel intelligent AF system tracks players with precision, nailing those quick movements with ease. Image stabilization stands out, reducing shake by 8.5 stops. This proves especially beneficial when you use heavier lenses, allowing for clearer images during intense moments. Face priority. AF enables you to focus on key players, keeping them sharp while others blur slightly into the background. One minor downside arises with extended video shoots, as you may need an optional cooling fan grip. However, this adds flexibility and ensures multi-hour shoots remain hassle-free. What I love most? Innovative autofocus transforms how you approach sports photography, elevating your skill set. That's a wrap. We trust you enjoyed exploring our selection of best cameras for sports photography. If you did, please show your support by giving us a thumbs up and clicking the subscribe button. Additionally, feel free to share in the comments which camera for sports photography you're considering. Let's turn your choice into reality. Thanks for tuning in, and we look forward to seeing you in our upcoming videos.